Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Hannah from Stardust. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial. I'm going to break down the dance step by step for you so you can follow along. Then when you're ready, you can check out the link below, which is to the music video which accompanies this dance. I have loved making this video for you and I really hope you enjoy learning my dance. Let's get started. We're going to start with our feet together, arms by our side and our head dropped. We're going to hold this position and then on the and before count 1, our feet are going to ball change out and Good, then your hand is going to come out and you've got a little ripple like a burst out of your heart. So it goes and a 1. Good, and then your other hand 2 and you're going to look at your fingers. Bring this hand into your heart and you're going to spin up on your toes. 3, so up on demi points. Good, another little step forward and this time you're going to completely relax. So drop your head, drop your arms right forwards. Good, from the top, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good, you're going to bring this arm up 6, and then the other one 7, and then we're going to turn, lift your back heel, and then push. Good, so your front leg is straight and the back foot is up on demi points. Lovely. We're then going to rise up onto demi points and our arms are going to go round the back of our head. So we go up and step. Good. Pull and look at the hand. Same on the other side. Pull, look at your hand, and then you're going to take another step and do a windmill to finish down on one knee. Lovely, so let's recap that from the beginning. Feet together, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, push 8, and up, and 4, and step, step, nice windmill over, and down. Good. You're then going to roll your front shoulder, roll it back, and turn to look at your audience. Lovely. We're then going to stretch our leg, reach, and I want you to look up to the ceiling. Nice big stretch and make sure your foot is stretched. Good. And this is on the lyrics, afraid to, and then on the lyric fall, we're going to fall down. So you sit down, hands touch the floor, head goes down. Good. We're then going to roll. So stretch those feet, roll, step up onto your back foot, and then take another step with your front foot. Good job. From here, we're going to do a half a turn, which is instigated with our back shoulder. So you're going to roll, half a turn to face the other side. We're then going to step. You can either do this on a flat foot or you can take it up onto demi points. We're going to circle the arms back and we're going to lift up into a parallel retire. Step up and drop. Good. Then we're going to reach our front hand forwards and then it's our elbow that's going to instigate our turn this time. So we're going to have a nice strong elbow and it's going to turn us round and then reach. Good. Nice work, everyone. Let's see if we can add it all together from the beginning before I do the next little bit with you. So feet together, head relaxed, hold 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, push 8, and 1, and 2, pull 3, 4, windmill 5, 6, head and shoulders, 7, reach, 8, falling 1, roll 2, step 3, 4, back shoulder roll, ripple up and drop, front arm, elbow turn, reach. Good, so after that turn, when you reach, you're going to bring your front hand into your heart and really stretch that back arm. Beautiful. From here, we're going to do a lovely swing. So again, you're going to bend your knees, relax forward, swing, and up, and reach. And again, so you're here, relax the head, swing, and then reach that front arm. Good. We're then going to pull that arm slowly in, and we're going to take 2 steps, starting with our right foot, going round in a circle with lovely stretched feet. So we go walk, walk. So we finish facing the back. We're then gonna take a lovely turn up on our toes, and our hands are gonna go up the side of our body as we turn. You can either do 1 or 2 or 3, however many turns you wanna do. If you love turning, go for as many as you can. So we've just done our 2 walks. Walk, walk. We're gonna step on our right foot and arms go up our body. Good. And then we're gonna step out of it. And as we do that, we slowly open and push down with our arms. Good, nice everyone. From here, we're gonna do a big step back and we're gonna swish our front foot back into arabesque with a nice stretched foot. Don't worry how high it goes, just give it your best shot. We're gonna make this a hop. So as we swish, swish, hop, we're gonna hop on that underneath foot, stretching our arms into a gorgeous first arabesque. So same arm as leg forward. And again, so we've just done that turn and we go step, hop. Good. And then we're gonna turn, arms in jazz first, turn up on your toes, and then slide. Beautiful. So we finish facing our corner. We're then gonna do a little back ripple backwards. So if you've got a really flexible back, you can go for a nice back bend. If not, you can just circle those arms. Keep that foot stretched. So we go circle here. Good. You're then gonna step straight up onto demi-point, and we're gonna stretch those arms and see if you can stay up on demi-point for a moment. So we're gonna go stretch and then out. Good, and then you're gonna keep this arm up, and we're gonna do a pirouette. So we're gonna turn towards our back foot and we're gonna lift it up. And this arm's going around our head. So we're here, we're gonna go up and step out of it. Good, nice job everyone. Let's see if we can do it from the beginning, all of that together. We've not got too much more to do. So we hold head dropped. 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, push 8, going up, and 4, pull back, back windmill, over and down, shoulder roll, stretch and drop, roll it round, 2 steps to come up, up, back shoulder roll, body ripple, up and 4, front arm stretch, elbow turn, reach, swing it forward, swing, up, 2 walks, 1, 2, here comes your turns, up, as many as you want, remember, and open. Here's our big step hop, step turn, slide, and back, going up, and turn, reach. Awesome, good job. So we're here. Remember, if you want to rewind and go over any bits at any point, you can. If not, we're gonna carry on because I've nearly finished. Here, we're gonna slide. Make sure you're stretching those toes. Good. Tuck the foot behind and nice and slow, this arm's gonna float up. Good, and then you're gonna rise up and turn, and then the arm palm is now facing you and it floats down. Other side, step in front, we're turned out here. This time it just goes up and down, and then I want you to look forwards as you turn, and then you're gonna take 2 walks with gorgeous stretched feet, or if you can fit 4 walks in, go for 4 walks, but I've not got space. So do as many walks as you can to the back, 2 or 4, and then it goes straight into the second verse, which if you want to repeat this choreography, you can, or if you want to make up your own, you can do that too. So let's try the whole thing from the beginning one last time with counts and me talking you through it. And then remember, when you're ready to do it with music, that music video is in the comments below for you. So feet together, hold nice and still, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, turn 3, drop forwards and release, up, up, push, lift that back heel, up onto demi-points, up, and drop, going back, 3, 4, windmill, 5, 6, shoulder, 7, 8, dropping, 1, roll 2, up, 3, 4, shoulder, 5, 6, and 7, 8, elbow to turn, 1, reach 2, swing 3, and 4, 2 walks, walk, walk and turn, Arms up your body, step, step, slowly bring it down. Ready, step, hop, step, turn, slide, reach, and up, turn, pull it in, slowly, up, turn, down. Remember to turn out your legs, up, down, keep looking forward as you rise up. 2 steps, walk, walk. Good, well done everyone. Thanks for learning that dance with me, everybody. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the music video so you can dance that choreography as many times as you like with the music. If you've enjoyed it, please drop me a comment below. You can also connect with me over on Instagram at Stardust Dance Academy. If you've got any little videos of you doing this choreography, I would love it if you shared it with me. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope to see you back here soon. Bye everyone.